What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know this one's a little different though. So we got this little car meet tonight called Trunk or Treat or something like that. It's like a little Halloween thing, family friendly, you know, bringing the kids and shit, bringing the fam bam. So I guess I just want to do a little introduction. I know y'all only seen a vlog from me in a whiz-owl in a minute. It's been a brickerton. I'm planning to do more of this type of content, so I guess just look out for it. You know what I mean? Before y'all even ask, I'm not in nothing crazy. This is my daily family car. This is a Chrysler 300 Limited. It's not nothing crazy, all right? But yeah, we finna pretty much get ready to get to this meet. Whoa, there go the fan bam, you know? If y'all can see them walking up. We got Catboy back there knocked out already. We ain't even make it to the destination yet. So hopefully it doesn't start raining like super hard. It's about like 20 minutes away, so. If I'm gonna be vlogging, you gotta learn to stop covering your face.
I know, but it's just, I'm not used to it.
I know. I mean, I'm not either. But we gotta get used to it. Look, I don't know if y'all can see my window right now, but it's getting like mad foggy.
So
Who's doing that? It's your fucking bad. Alright, so we made it, but I don't know, I guess. As you can see over there, right? I don't know, y'all can't really see. You ready, Catboy? You up now? So, it's still raining out here. But, I mean, it's alright. Look what we got here. Ooh, what's going on, G? Okay, little Central. Little Nismo Central. Got some Teggies and shit here. My future whip right here. Oh, VQ gang. No, yeah, them, oh yeah. Now, these some CR Kais, I think. Yeah, those are CR Kais. That's nice. That's really nice. That 350 though, you will be mine one day. So these the VQ gang over here, huh? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things. Blood on the ground. Grabbing a lot of gas. Put it in there. You got it. Okay. The headlights. I see it. Look at that Camry.
Oh my god.
They got the crazy headlights on it. It's pretty dope. Actually.
We're
No.
gonna have a raffle probably around 6:30, 6:45.
6:30,
Giving away a few
6:45.
prizes, so all you guys get tickets.
For
If
sure.
a little guy, you get a ticket too. There you go.
Appreciate it, G.
Thank
There
you.
you guys go.
Thank you.
You guys have a good one, okay?
Yeah, you too. I like that little IS, I can't lie. See, the 370 is nice, but I need that 350Z. I'm telling you, once I get my car, like,
It's over with. Ain't
Yo,
no
it's
boyfriend
over.
for me.
I actually really like this. The gold and black with the curtains. Ooh. What are these brazzers? It's got air suspension, yeah. So that's what all of this is.
Mom, I was.
Okay. This yours right here, boss?
Yes, sir.
This is cool right here. I ain't gonna lie. This how you want it, or are you doing some more to it, or?
I'm gonna just wrap it. Yeah.
Okay.
This is actually me and my girl's car. We went half on. We went half on it. I still got my Beamer at the house.
You mind being on the camera or not? You ain't tripping?
Nah, yeah. What's up?
What's good with it?
Yeah, I got my Beamer at home. I took this out because she had work today.
Yeah.
And we're really good friends with Sauce Stamp.
Yeah.
So you had to support. Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's what's up. Oh, that shit pop. I'm new to this whole, you know what I mean?
Are you? It's fun.
I'm getting into it though. Like, I've been into cars and shit for a minute, but like, it's my first time actually coming out and, you know what I mean, seeing shit, looking around, you know what I mean?
If you add her Instagram for the car, she posts all the car meets that we go to and all that stuff.
Yeah, okay.
So, so
what is it?
It's called 10 Sheet 13.
10 Sheet 13?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely look that up, because 13. Oh. That little Nismo Sentra sound nice. I can't lie. Very nice guy. Nice car, very nice car. I can't wait to see the progress on it. Oh, the neon, yeah, I see. You can get some more candy or what? Hey. Hey. No? Just chilling, not feeling it today? Oh, the RSXs is out, okay. I see it, I like them. K-Tune.
Me?
All right, you too, G. Appreciate it, homie. Another little, you feel me? Another G thing. VQ
I don't
thing.
want to open these.
Oh, not yet. Oh, we scraping out here. We low boys in the building. You see the headlights over here, brother? On this TC? Variable valve timing, huh? Look. Ooh. You know what? I noticed there's a lot of Civics out here. We got the GR in the building. Yeah, that's hella candy, bro. Damn. Fuck it, I grab me some Twizzlers. You know what I mean? Grab me a little something. Got the Monte Carlo out here. Oh, I
Imagine
wanna.
the ones in LA where it's like,
Yeah.
they fill up a whole big ass parking lot.
And then I want to go to like one of those actual, you know what I'm saying, like an actual car meet without like not the trunk or treat thing. I ain't never seen no shit like this, bro. This is the type of shit that make me want to cop a Miata. That's pretty dope right there. Watch out, Jay. That's nice. That's clean. Rim choice and them, ooh, them tires is thicky. This just makes me so excited to get my car. 350Z on the way. Not on the way, but like.
No, it is. Look at
No time soon, really. Got some more Subis pulling up. Ooh, okay, okay. Like that one? Subis roll through, man. Okay, a little Q50. There was another Q50 earlier that was clean. Ooh, okay. Yes, sir.
flat right hand drive.
Right hand drive, fucking.
He turning everybody head.
Yeah, he making everybody turning their head for that right hand drive 180. Everybody turning their head for that.
He know damn well everybody do.
Yeah, that's JDM shit right there. Like that's, you know what I mean, with the JDM everybody want pretty much, besides the Supra and the Skyline and the RX-7 and all of that shit. I'm about to be, you know, going to more car meets. I think I'm a little less nervous now, so. Candy? Didn't get a lot of candy. Your shoes all untied.
Daddy, I would grab all of that candy.
Grab all of that candy?
Yeah, I would grab all of it.
Next video will probably be maybe longer. I'm still kind of new to this type shit, so be a little nervous, trying to get the nerves out, you know what I mean? But
Say bye-bye, Dada.
okay. Doses.